Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on the gesture key in your itel S15 mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your itel mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, okay, click iSmart. And okay guys, here in iSmart, click key settings. And okay guys, here in key settings, okay, you can see the gesture key. So okay, click gesture key. And okay, after that, you can see the gesture key switch button. So okay, you have to do is click the button. And okay guys, slide up from the corresponding key position at the bottom to trigger the key function. So okay, we have successfully turned on the gesture key in your itel S15 mobile phone. So okay guys, that's it. And okay, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.